Hello and welcome to Celiac.com news. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest celiac disease and gluten-free diet news. And if you have any questions, be sure to join the Celiac.com forum online at Celiac.com. And now, let's move on to the latest Celiac.com news. Study on early dietary fiber intake and celiac disease risk. Celiac disease is an autoimmune condition triggered by gluten consumption in genetically predisposed individuals. While gluten exposure is a known factor in its development, other dietary components may influence risk. A study published in Gastroenterology, based on data from the Environmental Determinants of Diabetes in the Young Teddy study, explores the relationship between dietary fiber intake during early childhood and the likelihood of developing celiac disease later in life. The Teddy study followed 6,520 children with genetic markers associated with celiac disease. These children were tracked over several years, with researchers analyzing their dietary habits and celiac disease outcomes. The primary focus was on fiber intake between 6 months and 5 years of age, assessing whether higher fiber consumption influenced the risk of developing the disease. One of the most important findings of the study was that children who consumed more dietary fiber before the age of 2 had a lower risk of developing celiac disease later. This relationship remained significant even after adjusting for other dietary factors, including gluten intake. The study found that the protective effect of fiber was most pronounced when consumed during the first 2 years of life. After this period, fiber intake did not appear to have a significant impact on celiac disease risk. This suggests that early childhood is a crucial window for dietary interventions that might influence immune system development. The researchers propose that fiber may influence gut microbiota composition, promoting beneficial bacteria that support gut health and immune function. A well-balanced gut microbiome may reduce inflammation and improve gut barrier integrity, potentially lowering the risk of autoimmune conditions like celiac disease. These findings suggest that dietary fiber intake in infancy and early childhood could play a role in celiac disease prevention, especially for children with genetic susceptibility. Parents and healthcare providers may consider incorporating fiber-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, when gluten-free options are needed, into the diets of young children to support gut health. This study provides new insights into the potential role of dietary fiber in reducing celiac disease risk among genetically at-risk children. While more research is needed to establish causality, the findings emphasize the importance of early nutrition in shaping long-term health outcomes. Future studies may further explore how specific types of fiber and gut microbiota interactions contribute to autoimmune disease prevention. To get the latest celiac disease news and information, be sure to subscribe to Celiac.com news. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.